RFID Antenna Series, Types of RFID Antennas, Shelf Antennas. Welcome to this video. In this series, we will walk through the different types of RFID antennas based on utility to help you decide which type will work best for your application. In each video, we will introduce one of the 5 most common types of RFID antennas, grouped by their function, and discuss details like size, expected read range, mounting, and ideal applications. Let's jump in. When grouping UHF RFID antennas by their utility, 5 main types stand out: panel antennas, portal antennas, shelf antennas, ground antennas, and desktop antennas. In this video, we will talk about RFID shelf antennas. Shelf antennas are a unique category of RFID antennas that are suited for very specific applications and tagged item placement. Shelf antennas are unique because they are designed to read any tagged item placed on or right above their surface. Shelf antennas are generally square or rectangular in shape, and the average size is about 12 by 12 inches. These antennas are typically made strictly for indoor use, so they're usually rated with lower IP ratings such as IP52 or IP54. The average read range for shelf antennas is usually mid-range, around 3 meters or 10 feet in distance. However, for this type of application, generally long read range isn't necessary. In most smart shelving applications, it's important to show you that the goal is to create a defined read area, so that if our tagged items are taken off the antenna, the RFID system will no longer be able to read them, even if they're right next to the antenna. For example, when using a shelf antenna for jewelry tracking, the tagged jewelry will be placed directly on the antenna or on a shelf directly above the antenna, so only a few inches of read range is necessary. To reduce read range, most applications actually use a near-field antenna or small RFID tags with very limited read range. I'm going to quickly set up this antenna in a smart shelf configuration with our Impinj R700 so that you can see what an RFID shelf antenna looks like in an RFID system and how it reads RFID tags in the area. Shelf antennas are typically either placed directly on a shelf, table, or display, or mounted to a shelf to either face down and read tags like we've done here, or face up and read tags through the shelving. Some antennas have a fabricated mounting hole for screw mounting, while others require an antenna mount specific to that antenna. Shelf antennas are ideal for creating smart shelves, smart displays, or a smart cabinet for tracking and managing inventory of small tagged items like tools, jewelry, machinery parts, high-end retail items like purses and sunglasses, and healthcare items like instruments, disposables, and medicines. Thank you so much for joining us for this video discussing antenna types based on utility, specifically RFID shelf antennas. For more information on panel, portal, shelf, ground, and desktop antennas, comment below or contact us.